So another question I got was, this is problem set 3, problem number 2, and the question is, can you explain question number 2? And so the question is, for each of the following equilibria, predict if the equilibrium constant is less than 1 or greater than 1. So if it's greater than 1, it's going to favor the products, right? Because equilibrium constants are just products over reactants. And if it's less than 1, it's going to favor the reactants. Right. And so here what you need to know is you need to be able to look at a pKa and then consequently understand what the pKa's of these various species are. So the pKa of this is somewhere between 16 to 17. The pKa of this is going to be around 22. All right, so the question is, will this deprotonate this? And the answer to that is no. Right? Then you think about, this is a little bit different of a question, so I think the easiest way to think about this question, this pKa is going to be around 4 to 5, and then this pKa is going to be between 7 to 9. Right, so I'm going to go through these first two examples, and so here you can see the example of the question you're answering. You're asking, will this deprotonate this? And the answer is no, because this has a significantly lower pKa as compared to this. Right, this is a little bit different of a question. I mean, but it's the same thing. Will this base deprotonate this? And so what you have to ask is the conjugate acid of this more or less stable? And so the answer to this question is yes. All right, so in here, the products are favored. In here, the reactants are favored. And again, the main topic here is, do you understand, do you have a general concept of what these different pKa's are? And can you predict based on that general concept whether this equilibrium would be favored? Okay, and so in this case, the pKa of this is, again, 16 to 17, and then the pKa of this conjugate base is 7 to 9. Okay. And then this one we're actually going to get into in a second.